If you want to know the best things to eat in Alpharetta, you've come to the right video. Because in this video, we will be diving into one of Alpharetta's premier southern food spots called Secreto. So stick around as we dive into great fried chicken, great desserts, and some appetizers that you do not want to miss. So here we go.
How you guys doing? My name is Pierre Castro. I'm executive chef at Secreto Southern Kitchen, located off Wynwood Parkway in Alpharetta, Georgia. So yeah, we've been located here for 9 years. We specialize in southern food concept with a twist. We're known for our fried chicken, our bang shrimp, and our carrot cake. So for this year's Alpharetta Restaurant Week, our lunch offering is the 3-course for $30. You get to choose out of your appetizers, either our bang shrimp, one of our delicious salads, or our homemade crab bed soup. Your entrees would be our fried chicken. It'd be our Secreto hamburger or our goat cheese panini. And for desserts, you have the option to choose from our carrot cake or our cheesecake.
Okay guys, so you heard the chef. Everything's amazing here, but there are 3 things that everyone orders. And if you're gonna take that special seriously and you're coming here for lunch or dinner, a few things you need to try. One's going to be this amazing carrot cake. It's a warm carrot cake. And the cool thing about this place, I'm just gonna jump the gun and tell you, everything's made in-house. That means this frosting, I literally watched him make this in-house. Cake's made in-house. All the sauces are made in-house. Nothing's coming from a bottle here. They told me the only things frozen in this restaurant are the fries. So, bang shrimp, another bestseller. And of course, the fried chicken, which is pretty amazing. Let me look at that. That's crazy looking. So, I'm gonna try the shrimp first and check that out. Whoa. It's in the chili sauce, has a kick. The kick is amazing, the chili sauce. And I'm saying the kick is amazing because I'm not a spicy food person. I like a light kick, not like a Chuck Norris, like a light. It's crispy, it's sweet, spicy. Now I know why this is the best-selling appetizer. I can't stop eating it. Secondly, we're going to try this amazing fried chicken. Now, this is breaded, fried, on the spot. We're not talking about frozen fried chicken. They literally get chicken breasts, they pat it down, and on order, they're breading this thing, frying it. I mean, it looks amazing. What I love the most about this, even though I haven't even tried it yet, is that it's boneless. You're not getting your hands dirty. Check that out, big piece of chicken. What gets me is this gravy. You're not just talking about a fried chicken that's on its own, but there's this amazing gravy that has like bacon and check that out. My goodness, that's just too much for me. Too much goodness. So the chicken is crispy. The chicken's super tender. The gravy's adding that extra layer. Eating it with the mashed potatoes adds a whole nother layer. And now I know why this is a #1 appetizer. People come here and they make special orders. So if you have an event or something that you need catering for, they don't have a catering menu, but you can call in and ask for favors and they make it happen. So I would try this. I'd have this for any party, really. That is amazing chicken. That is amazing chicken. Once again, I mean, I find myself at this point where I'm supposed to be trying this once and moving on, but not moving on yet. Wow, that is too good to stop eating, but I'm gonna stop. I'm gonna stop for you because we need to try this carrot cake and see if it lives up to its reputation. So let's go. All right, let's talk about these green beans. These are cooked in my favorite seasoning, which is butter. So they've been butter, sauteed, there's garlic. All right, this is crispy. Now, when you have string beans, there's different styles of making this. You can saute it until it's like crystallized and super soft. This is kind of like flash fried in butter. So you're keeping that freshness, that crispiness. So it's actually a crispy, crunchy texture. You're tasting the garlic, the butter. It's actually refreshing. When you gotta have something really heavy, like a fried chicken, you need something refreshing to balance that off and light. That's what this is for. So it's a good addition. All right, there you have it. The queen or king of the show. A warm carrot cake topped with like an orange cream cheese icing. I'm gonna try the carrot cake by itself first. I love carrot cake, and oh man. Wow, that blew me away. There's a lot happening here. We're not talking about just like a cakey cake. This is a hearty cake. As you can tell, those nuts, those vegetables, a lot of great things happening inside of this cake. Chunks of carrot. Oh man. I would come here just for the carrot cake, to be honest. If I'm eating a lunch somewhere and I'm like, I want a dessert, none. I'd come here. Cream cheese icing's perfect. Cake is perfect. Texture's perfect. Love everything about it. This is like, once again, I find myself at a place where I'm supposed to be trying this and moving on, but I can't. There's a lot happening in this carrot cake. A lot happening. You can tell, you can see the nuts, you can see the carrots, you can see a lot of things. Vegetables. What vegetables are in here?
Carrots, coconut, pineapples.
Really? Coconut? Coconut.
Coconut flakes.
Wow, wow. So carrots, coconut, pineapple. I've never thought that went into a carrot cake, but it's making it work. I have no complaints. I don't even like coconut. I really don't. I'm Jamaican. I had too much as a kid. I told my mom, like, I'm gonna move out of this house one day and never eat coconut again. And I've successfully not done that, but I'm happy with this. I'm really happy with this dish. I don't know which I like the most. The bang bang shrimp did not make it, obviously. Fried chicken wouldn't have made it, but I thought about you and I moved on to the cake. But this cake's definitely not gonna make it either, so. Everything is amazing. Everything here is delicious. You definitely need to try the fried chicken. I would come here just for that. Even if you don't do restaurant week, just come for the fried chicken. If you're watching this video and it's like restaurant week's already over, don't worry, chicken's still gonna be here. You can come here, try the chicken, try the bang bang shrimp. I doubt they'll get rid of this cake, so it's gonna be here. Just come and try it. I know we are talking about the promotion, but obviously this video is gonna be on YouTube for a long time, so I know people are gonna be seeing this and saying, dude, like, come on, like, why did I have to see this now? Don't worry, these 3 dishes are not going off the menu anytime soon. You can always come back and try them. So, again, these guys are off of Wynwood Parkway. Definitely come here, try them out. I'm excited that I have found this place. I'm definitely going to be returning. So, hope to see you guys here. Thank you for watching. We'll talk to you soon.
So our hours of operation, we're open Monday through Saturday. We do lunch Monday through Friday from 11 to 2. We open up at 4:30 for our community hours, like our happy hour from 6:30. Our dinner service starts at 5 o'clock, and that's Monday through Saturday.